Hey, Rio. I see ya. All right, I gotta go to work. You ready? Here we go. Sometimes you just need to rough it up. Rough it up. Rough up the leather. Why? For glue. So your glue will stick. Example. Glue is gonna go into that a whole lot more than it is that. Either side, even if you do this side. See that? That's better for glue. These are all handcrafted, one at a time, tungsten carbide tip all the way around. Oh, and they do come with a brass brush to clean out the goodies. So let's see what these will do and why they do what they do. Okay, so what are we talking about? Let's say you wanted to get that pocket onto that pocket. Well, the glue is not going to penetrate this surface all that well, but if you rough it up, it'll really seep down in there and bind up really well. So what you can do, get a Mascon ZB bump jig, just bump that like that, get a scratch awl or pin, whatever, mark where the top of that pocket goes, top of that pocket, grab one of your roughers, rough this up. Just where the glue is gonna go. Then glue is gonna go here too, so do the back. Like so. Barge contact cement, but that barge will really penetrate that leather once it's roughed. Then after they dry, slap them together, and that'll stick forever. Voila! Another good example is if you had two pieces that you wanted to glue together the whole thing, like this mouse pad is 2 layers stitched. So if you could rough up both sides of the inside, that glue will penetrate. So like if you wanted to stick these two together, rough up the whole side on both, glue, smack, done. As I mentioned, each one of these is handmade, solid olive, ebony wood, hand lathed, tungsten carbide tip. Now each one is going to be a little bit different because the wood, obviously the grain is going to change in the wood. And not sure whenever you're to watch this video, but we have a new batch right here going on the website available for sale. If they're sold out, just give us a little bit more time and we just keep making some more. And just to make it easy for you, I'll put a link down in the description of the video to the tool shop. Hey, what are you doing?